gonna be when I'm in my 60s? 100?
When you're in your 60s, I will be
In your 100s?
probably in heaven.
You'll be in your 100s. You really?
Yeah, probably.
Who knows, maybe one of those lucky winners that makes it to 100.
Maybe so. We'll see.
Oh wow, he's in the grass.
Judah, are you ready for the car show?
There's the berry.
Your first car show, boy. Your first car show. You ready? All right.
This is the one I liked. Yeah, I liked this one.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh, look at that one! Wow, look at that! That's so cool! It looks like a bobsled. Wow! That is so neat! So cool. Oh wow! Yeah, to keep your stuff safe in there, huh?
We could do this for vacation. If we need to sleep, you guys, we can
Sleeping in the bed of the truck? I don't know about that.
sleep back here.
They call it a bed, but I don't think that's why. Maybe. Who knows?
I think I have a Hot Wheel with this one.
I don't think so. I don't know that brand.
I got it was from Japan. I was remembering.
Oh, look, the engine's back. Yeah, the engine's back.
Wow.
Not in front.
Model A. Look at that.
Look at that one, guys.
Old school. It was the first cars.
Wait, let me see. Oh, right here. Look.
Yeah, it's a Model A.
Model A.
1931 Ford. So cool.
Oh, look at this one.
What'd you think, Papa? What'd you think? Like the cars?
I'm holding on to these the whole time and I'm doing successful. It has like this kind of like
Oh, it's got like racing seat belts. You see that?
and the thing to like do this, it has something in there.
careful person.
I like this one.
That's so cool. Bye, Pink Panther.
Look at the mini cars.
Go see. Oh yeah, sure does. Look, there's the mini.
I'm doing if it's colors. That one has a shape. Imagine us in this.
Wow, that'd be pretty cool, huh? You want to drive that car? Yeah, they're kind of doors, but kind of not. Oh, my little Martian. I love it. He's even on the side. Yeah, there he is. Hi, Marvin. Favorite so far? You like the Marvin the Martian one, Mars? It is very hot, yes, I know. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, well, there's a whole lot of cool things over here, but look at these.
Look, I like that one.
I know, I love that color. Wow. I love that one. It's beautiful. And look at this guy. Look at that. It is so cool.
Look at the flaming dice. Look how big the wheels are.
Yeah, it's got tons of ducks, huh? Oh, Judah, you like those too, Bubby? You like these? Which one you like, babe? Yeah, you like that one. There's an alien on the trophy. Oh, look, it's got eyeballs. You see that?
Oh, you see the eyeball? Doesn't it look like a Wally? Like an angry Wally?
There's a skeleton in the front seat. I think it's trying to be a little cooler than Wally. Mouse. Watch out for the bike, baby. Here's the driver. See the driver? I know, he's got his cane there. It's tiny. Wow.
Come on, Eli.
Hey, cheese. Nice.
I'm saying it's
That's so cool.
I'm saying it's mine.
Is that yours? I think you'll have to fight. ready for it, baby.